Hi, this is Mike Henriksen, live at Android Open at the Mini Maker Faire. I'm here with Michael Zick Doherty. Michael, what do you have here?
So I have a couple different projects that I brought today, and the first is this NFC Check In system for Foursquare. And the idea is if you don't have a smartphone, you can still check into Foursquare using these cheap RFID tags. And the idea is you would bring these tags, and the first time you use it, you just swipe it on the reader. And what it does is it brings you to the Foursquare login, so you would log into Foursquare, and that would associate your tag with your account. And then from then on, you would just have to tap this tag, and it would automatically take you in to whatever venue you would at. So you'd have these different stations at different venues depending on where you want to check in.
Well, that's really cool. So check in without having to go through all the hassle.
Well, yeah, and it also allows the people without a smartphone to be able to check in as well.
Yeah. Nice, very nice. And so what do you have over here as well?
And so this is another project that I've been working on, my thesis project at NYU, and the idea with this project is to create an open source real-time mobile sensor platform. And the idea is I'm using Arduinos to collect sensor data. So right now it's just hooked up to a potentiometer, and it's collecting this data, and it's sending that data via Bluetooth to the Android phone. And the Android, if you want to actually hold that.
Which one? This one?
Hold the Android, and then if you turn, so I'm just changing this sensor here, and you should be able to see that line changing.
Yes.
So it's recording data, and then what it does is it's posting that data to a web database, and I use a service called PatchBay, which is a service for sensor data. And so it collects all this data on the web. And so the Android is basically a relay for all this data. So you could use this in any different application, like medical use. You could monitor someone's heart rate, and that would maybe trigger a text message that gets sent to their doctor, or it could be for environmental monitoring. You could monitor the air quality.
Or all sorts of quantified self running and all that.
Exactly. So it just opens it up to allow you to use any type of sensor you want with your Android device.
Excellent. And anything, what is this stuff, just extra?
These are just some of the examples of sensors you could use. This is an air quality sensor. This is a humidity and temperature sensor. This is distance. And so anything that works with an Arduino or that you can interface with Arduino works in this platform.
Excellent. So where do you plan on taking all this in the future?
Well, this is kind of my passion project, my thesis project. So it's something I would like to just continue to develop, and maybe find more specific applications that I can work with organizations, and also to use as a learning tool maybe in schools to allow kids to get information about their environment using technology. So that's where I want to go with this. The check-in station was just kind of a way of showcasing the NFC technology and finding a creative use for it. And that's part of my lab, which is the MadSci Euro RSCG lab.
Michael, look forward to seeing where you take all this in the future. Thank you.